Hi, everyone, and thank you for your interest in partnering with Beacon Community Impact. We want to provide a quick overview of the RFP and application process. For a quick overview of the process, there are three major steps. First, organizations will put their application in through the online portal linked on the BCI website. Please note that the application portal will close August 14th at 4 p.m. Once all proposals are received, they will be reviewed by BCI staff as well as select members of the advisory council. Second, proposals selected to move forward will be invited to participate in a phone interview. This discussion will focus on answering any outstanding questions from both the partner and BCI, as well as confirm any administrative details. It's estimated that these interviews will take about 1 hour. Finally, a funding decision will be communicated. If selected to receive funding, a BCI representative will reach out to communicate the final details and confirm the administrative requirements. Diving into the survey, you will see all reference documents and templates linked at the top of this page. You can also find these documents on the BCI website. Now diving into the survey, you'll see the first question asked whether you received funding during the 2020 grant cycle. In this video, we will focus on walking through the new partner RFP process. Next, we ask for your organization name as well as program name. In addition, we ask for the contact information. Please provide the contact information for the individual who the team should reach out to with any questions about the application. On the next page, we ask for required organizational information. All this information is required by Beacon for tax and legal reasons. On the third page, we ask about first the specific request, which includes the amount you are requesting for the 2021 grant cycle, as well as what counties the programming will be offered in. Please note that this should be where the services are being provided. Next, we ask for the organizational summary. Please let us know about your organization and what experiences and skills you and your organization have in delivering this type of program. Next, we ask for you to state what you are trying to accomplish in one sentence. We understand this may be difficult to sum your program up in a single sentence. We recommend that you focus on trying to communicate the change or impact that you are trying to achieve. Next, we get into understanding what the program will do. Provide an overview of what the program is trying to achieve. Make sure to define your target population. Be as specific as you can. Also, mention any partners or collaborations you'll be working with. After reading this section, the BCI staff want to be able to have a clear understanding of how the program will work. Next is the proposed services activities. This is where we want to understand what will actually happen. If you're going to provide a training sessions, how many sessions per quarter? If you're going to run a mentoring program, how many meetings per month will you expect between mentors and mentees? If you're providing home visits, how many visits will take place? Obviously, this will look different for every program in terms of timing, numbers, and how specific you can be in your estimates. However, we want to understand what specific activities are planned to help us glean a clear picture of the program. Next is the anticipated outcomes and data collection plan. Please tell us first what methods of collection you plan on using. This could be surveys, interviews, clinical measurements, to name a few. We'd also like to know what data points you'll be collecting. You can refer to the 2021 indicator list linked at the top of this page or on the BCI website. Please note that BCI is prioritizing the indicators listed on that sheet. Next, we'd also like to know about what your program has been able to achieve in the past. If this is applicable, please provide qualitative as well as quantitative change that participants have shown. Next, we want to understand how this program will be sustained at the conclusion of the funding. We acknowledge our funding may support the program in its entirety or only a portion of it. When answering this question, we are interested in understanding the plans for continuing the program beyond the funding source. Also, if there are best practices in your program's framework that lend well to similar programming and its efforts to create positive change, we'd like to know about that as well. Finally, we'd like to know what is the number of people you plan to serve in each county. We understand that this is going to be an estimate. However, please provide your most specific answer as possible about the number of individuals that will be served from January 2021 through October 2021. Next, we have the administrative details. First, we have the baseline requirements for reporting and engagement. Please respond yes or no, whether you'll be able to meet these requirements. Next, we have questions about our capacity building services. This takes the form of both workshops as well as one-on-one engagement. Please let us know what areas you are most interested in having your organization engage. The final section is attachments. This includes both the W-9, an organizational chart, a budget, and a logic chain. Please note that templates for the logic chain and budget are linked at the top of the application. If you would like to provide programming curriculum as well as supporting documents, please feel free to link them in here. And with that, you are done with the RFP. Once you click the forward button, the RFP will be completed and submitted. BCI will begin reviewing the RFPs once the window closes on August 14th. You can expect to receive word on whether you are moving to the interview stage in mid-September. However, don't hesitate to reach out to Kimberly Green Reeves at any point if you have a question.